The objective of the project is to design, develop and fabricate a multi-purpose drying system solution which can be effectively used for ventilating and drying the warm clothes for all the seasons. India is a land of different parametric conditions and especially people in the rural areas find winters a difficult period for drying a wet clothes. Keeping in the community developed in the mind, this project has been undertaken to provide the relief and asset a person of merger means. The system have a revolving platform mounted by the columns and a circular ring at the top with the hooks for the clothes hanging. Also embedded with a blower sending a draft warm air towards the hanging clothes. The platform will be rotated by the suitable motor speed of which will be desired. Now the list of equipment used. Motor, this is a motor and the motor specification of the motor is half an horsepower and the voltage required is 230 volt and the RPM at which it will rotate is 1140 and the rotation is reversible rotation. Now moving on to the peripheral rim. The rim is made of stainless steel and the dia of this rim is 5400 mm and number of spokes which consist of 36. And now here this is a shaft which is made of mild steel and the height of this shaft is about 3 feet 3 inches and the dia of the shaft is 25 mm. Here is the exhaust fan. This is the exhaust fan which has the frequency of 50 Hz and the voltage is 170 to 230 volts. The power consumed by it is 1/7 horsepower and the RPM value is about 900 RPM. This is the heater. The specification for the heater is it has a power of 400 watts and thermal conductivity of 11.93 watt meter degree Celsius. And this is a belt pulley system which we have used over here and the belt is V-weld shape which is made of reinforcement with the fibers like steel, polyester or aramide. The cross-sectional area is trapezoidal and the driver of this is a driver and this is a driven and the dia of the driver is 30 mm and the dia of the driven is 100 mm. These are the dimensions of this. And the applications for this project is used for drying clothes, room heating, reducing moisture content present in the surrounding.
The working can be explained by just switching on the power supply. Now as soon as we switch on the power supply, it transfers the energy to the motor which in turn makes the shaft rotate along with the peripheral rim, and then
the clothes will be hanged on this peripheral rim and with the help of this fan and the heater this will help as a draught which will bring the air on the clothes so that it can dry up easily.
Now since the moist air has a low density, it will rise up and make all the clothes easily dryable and the clothes will be dried even if we have a moist condition, because this heater is sending up very low moisture air above the peripheral rim.
This is most effective in a high humidity regions. This project is most effective in a high humidity regions because the rate of evaporation during the high humidity through our skin, as we can see, that it do not precipitate like this and the rate of evaporation decreases. That is why it is a high humidity region, and so we can use this project in a very high humidity regions also. This is most beneficial for it. As we can see, we can just tie up the clothes and this will now be working. This will be just a demo to show you how the clothes will be hanged. This will be hanged on the hanger.
This is a wet hanky.
This is a centrifugal motion which has been given. The speed can be adjusted with a regulator attached over here. It can dry up the clothes in about 45 minutes.
Depending upon the clothes intensities and the type of clothes we want to dry up.